What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and welcome on back to Insurance Auto Auctions, aka IAA, out here in beautiful Las Vegas. I'm going to apologize in advance for the wind. We're going to mitigate that as much as possible. But yeah, today we're about to go out here and get into some awesome we're going to get into an awesome walk around and some vehicles that I need to get my hands on. Perfect. All right, guys, so look who's here. It is Dizzle in motion himself. So we're gonna go out here and get into this IAA walk around, check out some different vehicles and stuff, and see if there's anything out here that we want to snap up. All right, guys, first things first, we're gonna take a look at these trucks. Now, this is a 3500 Ram turbo diesel Cummins, as you can see right here, and it is really pushed. Like, you can see the gaps in the body and the panel right there really bad, and you can see where it looks like it got hit here and there. It definitely at first glance looks fixable, but you can see the whole front end was pushed over. This door is probably repairable, but this is all pushed over and back, and I'm wondering if there's framed, it's gotta be some twist or a little bit of a bend in the frame, because, you know, I get this stuff, like all the cooling stuff, the condenser, all that crap, oil cooler and stuff in the front, you could probably fix, but see, I don't see a direct kink in the frame. Oh, wait a minute, right here. I don't know if it shows up on video, but can you guys look right here? And it's just so subtle. It's almost like it half moons a little bit. Let me zoom in so you guys get a better look. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this on video, but yeah, it's bent. It's not bad though. That's the thing. Like, this, you could literally put this thing on the frame machine for probably 30 minutes on both sides, straighten it out. I would probably also reinforce both sides of those rails and then just replace the front end stuff. It is listed as a non-running driver, obviously, probably because they can't get the hood open. They probably can't get to the batteries. Let's take a look at the inside. Very clean interior Ram, all the plastic. So this is probably like a tradesman. It's got the little boxes. You know, if you're on Randy's channel over at Auto Auction Rebuilds, you know, his 3500 and the Laramie before that had those. Those are awesome. I think my Rebel had these too. I'm not sure. I know I had this thing down here on the Rebel. Seats are in good condition. They don't look like crap. Let's take a look at the front. Only if it's not going to oh, we got some more of the parts in the back there. Only if it's not going to damage the fender. Okay, she does open freely. I don't want to ding that against the pole. She looks clean. Oh, what is this switch for? Is it a kill switch? That'd be hilarious. Or maybe it's a light switch. They have lighting or something under the truck, and that's probably why she's dead. I see it's got something plugged into the OBD. But, very interesting. I mean, overall, if I'm really being picky, it's very clean. I mean, for real. Like, nice. Literally have zero complaints on this thing, on how she looks. Again, guys, I got the big dead cat on her and everything. There's nothing I can do about the wind. If it gets too bad, I'll apologize. But she looks clean. Everywhere else, I think this thing is definitely worthy of a rebuild. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section down below, because I don't know, me personally, this is nice. I have to say, I kind of like this one. All right, guys, next we have this Porsche Panamera hybrid. It's the e-hybrid from Porsche. Now, I always liked the Panamera, and I gotta be honest, I really like the paint scheme on this car. I really do. It is exceptionally clean for what it is. I'm going to assume, I mean, I see some scratching. Oh, it's a wrap. That's why. So this is like a different color wrap over the entire car. I can see it here because you can see where the wrap has cracked and came off. Yeah, she was black originally. All right, cool. Well, the good news on that is, more than likely the paint has survived and it's probably in really good shape. Love that. Let's take a look at the inside. Now, where this is a hybrid, it does say it's a no start, so it may have electrical problems, I guess. And being a hybrid, that's probably a nightmare, right? But look at how clean this car is. Absolutely ridiculously clean. Interior's clean. No crazy scratches and stuff on the dash, which normally happens. Just take a look at the Petty Roosevelt. I mean, very clean. The buttons are not worn. Stuff that we normally see in these Porsches, you're not seeing here. This thing is very, very, very clean. But unfortunately, she is dead as a doornail. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this Porsche Panamera in the comments. Really no way for me to get this thing running. You know, they have a policy with electric vehicles that, you know, you're not putting a jump pack or doing anything on these. And I don't know what the loss type is on this. Only thing I know is it was a Toro car. So I'm guessing it had to have either some kind of undercarriage damage or maybe that scratching or something from the rear. I don't see any other damage to it unless they blew up the battery or did something mechanically damaging to the engine. So we're going to open the hood. I'll open her up real quick. We'll take a look and see if she has anything that's readily identifiable, to see if we can see why Toro totaled it. 3.0 V6S. Belts look good. The only thing I can think is that something in the charging system had to be damaged for them to total this. And who knows, man, somebody might have just rented it and the hybrid gave up the ghost. You never know. But she looks very clean under here as well. I mean, I don't know. It's a mystery. Let me know what you guys think it was that killed this car in the comments. All right, guys, as we continue on down the road here, see what else we can find. It looks like we got an F150 over here. This is the new joint too, huh? Ouch. Nasty little hit here in the front. See if we can get we'll go out wide on this one. Yeah, fender. This is all aluminum. This is the part that sucks. You got to replace all this crap. And it makes them extremely expensive. Farm Bureau. All right. Yeah, fender done. I'm going to guess airbags and stuff too. Ooh, yeah. I can't really get in here, guys, because I don't want to damage this truck further. But you guys can see clean interior, but airbags did deploy. I don't see any blood, so that is a positive for the previous owner. It does have the big screen. It is a brand new F-150. Probably get a better look at the interior from here. Oh yeah, seatbelt cut. They cut the seatbelt loose. Yeah. So that they probably had to cut them out too. That sucks. Battery down there. Which I never understood that. I guess that's a jumping point or something for this truck. Weird. All right. A lot of dust everywhere, so I'm sure the windows were down for a little bit. But clean. I don't know. I mean, I'm sure it's repairable. It could be rebuilt. It says these trucks, these Fords, because of the aluminum, are so expensive to repair. It just doesn't make any sense to do so. Not to mention, like, if the frames are bent or anything is wrong with the frame, which, taking a quick look down here, the suspension is all jacked. There's wood down there wedged in, meaning there's probably going to be a bunch of issues with this truck. But hey, you could probably pick up a good 2020. I mean, you could pick up a 21 for pennies but I don't know if it's worth it. I mean, you look, all the core support and stuff is bent in. It's probably a mess. You guys love these Chevy Silverados, and this is starting to turn into an all truck video, huh? These body style Silverados, you guys seem to love, man. And fender's easy to replace. 2005 1500. I'm sure she's gas. The axle is bent though, which means something probably broke in the back. I don't know what all of this crap is on the rear. The bed is done. If it was easy to fix, like if it's just simple as, you know, fixing the rear end, this probably could be a decent work truck and not even replace any of the stuff on it. But to be honest with you, I mean, I guess it would depend on the mileage, right? If she was really low miles, the engine might be worth something. But she's so dead, we can't even get a look at the odometer. Nothing. All right. And she's disgusting. I mean, they were pounding beers in here. There's pieces of dope. Sorry. Oh, okay, that's it for this one. Hey, how about a Mustang? Hey, all right, we'll have at least 2 cars in today's video. This thing looks pretty clean, to be honest with you. I mean, it is from Title Max, though. It is a GT. Huh. It is a GT. It looks fairly clean. I mean, it really does. I mean, looking at it right now, she looks really clean for what it is. I don't know who the genius was that decided to take a title loan out on their Mustang. Is the diffuser and everything tight? Yeah, I mean, it's a little loose down there in the bottom. That could be fastened up. But I mean, look, the tail, this thing looks cruise ready, man. I'd have to redo that raggedy tint. But look, the carbon fiber on the bottom. Unbelievable. This thing runs and drives. No damage. Clean title. Title Max. 2000. This should be a warning. Oh, wait a minute. Of course. Let me guess. No keys. No keys. So we probably can't even get inside the damn car, right? Nope. So they literally towed it and dropped it here. They're going to auction it. Nobody can see inside of it. Win for me. It means it might go for less. I know my Mustang people are like, TK, when are you going to get another Mustang? I said never. But if I can get this for like 2,500 bucks, let me get it. Which brings me to what I wanted to come over here to look at. This Nissan Titan. This Nissan Titan is a run and drive. It was not a run and drive, but now it is. So they got it running. 2010. Now, it's been my understanding that these V8 Nissan engines are fairly reliable. I have a friend with an Armada with the same amount. Oh, she's dead. Same amount of lots of dog hair everywhere. So animal car for sure. It is a little nasty in here. Could use a detail. But if she runs and drives, yeah, great little landscape or work truck for sure. 100%. Let's walk around the rest and see if she's got any damage. 5.6 V8. I don't see any physical damage to the truck. So looks like it's a repossession. And she does have 237,000 miles on it. So it probably is not going to go for a ton of money. Huh. Well, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. Well, yeah, I was looking at this 392 again. It's still here. It's back up for auction. This is the Scat Pack you guys saw a while back, the blue one. She is beautiful, man. Still runs and drives. Nothing wrong with it. Running and driving, anyway. All right, guys. What do you guys think, instead of a Tahoe, another Suburban for another Black Mamba? All right. Now, before someone gets offended in the comments about me saying Black Mamba, if you don't understand what that means, it's like a Kobe Bryant reference. And I named my 2019 and my 2020 Tahoes after such. And this thing, nice, lifted already, leveled, nice all-terrain tires on it. This is the only damage that I can see on this Suburban. And I'm guessing, my guess is, when it got towed, it was probably damaged during towing. That's my guess. You have a little thing here, I'm guessing for bikes or something on the back, but very clean, very, 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 very clean all the way around here. Wow. Now, this is a Title Max truck. Again, I don't understand you genius. I understand if people, maybe I need to start a company for people that are hurt for money, because, you know what I'm saying? This is ridiculous. Let's take a look at the interior. Mike's over there looking at the scat pack. Now, there's no keys, obviously. Oh, somebody was smoking some bud in there. Look at all them seeds. Well, she's got 153,000 miles on it. Not concerning. Not concerning at all. You got some grass, whatever the hell that is up there. Interior is clean for the most part. It does have heated and cooled seats. Interesting. Or maybe those are just heated seats? Yeah. Okay, yeah. Just heated seats. But I'm trying to see if she had enough power where I could. And it is four-wheel drive. It's four-wheel drive as well. This thing is definitely worth the money, I can tell you right now. I wonder what Title Max is going to want for it. That's the thing. The lights do work, and they are LEDs. Alright. Everything seems to work in here. So, trying to see if I can get the mileage to pop back up, but whatever. It does have a little bit of a stench in here. There's weed everywhere. Oh my god. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the Suburban here in the comments below. I think she's got a lot of life left in it, and I probably could pick it up for probably around $8 grand, I guess. Woo! Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today's walk around, IAA walk around. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. If you're interested in getting involved, or maybe coming out here and doing things like this yourself, as far as buying vehicles from the auction, go to Insurance Auto Auctions. You can Google them, or you can go to IAAI.com. Go check them out. Anyways, let me know what you guys think was the best vehicle we showed in today's video in the comment section down below.